Hey, this is Eric with firstsynthetic.com. I'm here today to talk to you about the AMSOIL Dominator Coolant Boost. The reason I wanted to talk about this one today is it's cold outside. It's wintertime, and even down here in Florida, we saw temperatures in the low 30s this morning, which is no good. And it made me grateful for this product because I use it in my vehicles. So usually when we talk about coolant boosts, what they do is they lower operating temperatures of the cooling system. So generally geared more towards heavy duty hauling and towing or racing applications. Well, the great thing about this product is we use what's called a tiered surfactant. So not only does ours lower operating temperatures up to 25 degrees, but it also helps warm up your car up to 54% faster. What does that mean for you? It means when you go get in the car and you start it up in the morning and it's freezing cold outside, you're gonna start blowing warm air quicker, up to 54% quicker, right? So with that, what is a surfactant? A surfactant is nothing more than something that reduces the surface tension of water and antifreeze, which helps draw away the heat from metal components. So ours works in extreme low conditions, in the moderate temperature range, and of course the extreme temperature range as well. So this is gonna help you in all different areas. So you can use this in passenger vehicles, heavy duty vehicles, you can use this in racing applications where you're running straight water to give you extra corrosion inhibitors and things like that. So that's why I wanted to talk about today with the AMSOIL Dominator Coolant Boost, because it's gonna help warm you up in the morning. Let's just talk about that. So if you have any other questions, I've got plenty of technical data that I can show you on this. It's an amazing product. You can order it from my website at firstsynthetic.com. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or reach out to me directly. I look forward to hearing from you. You have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you soon.